May tanong lang po ako, sir. Tama ba na tapatin ko ang babaeng matagal ko ng crush at in love na talaga ako sa kanya, ngunit may asawa na siya? Bro, may asawa na yung tao, sigarilyo. Iwasan mo na siya, and that's a hard and fast rule. Na kapag committed na ang isang tao, that option is off the table na. Kasi ano pang reason mo kaya mo aminin sa kanya? Para manghinayang siya just in case she feels the same way about you before? To reconnect with her, and just in case na magkalabuan sila ng asawa niya, ikaw yung unang hahanapin ni girl? Huh? What if, sige sabihin natin na naging okay ngayong samahan nyo after na umamin ka. Sabihin lang natin, just for the sake of the argument lang. Tapos, ikaw yung naging shoulder to cry on niya sa tuwing mag-aaway sila ni Mister, nagiging sweet na kayo, nagtsuktsa na kayo. Etong tanong ko sa'yo, is all of that worth it para makasira ng pamilya? You're just wasting your time and energy, sigarilyo. Don't do it. You already had your shot before nung single pa siya to court her. But yet, you didn't have the balls to ask her out. So let this be a lesson na lang, sigarilyo. Na if you like somebody, have the balls to ask them out before it's too late. Let's just chalk this up to experience na lang and learn from it. So, ang dapat mong gawin ngayon is to let her go na. Kasi nga may asawa na siya eh. At maghanap ka na ng ibang babae who is ready, willing, and able to date you. Huwag na kayong maghanap ng hindi available. Diyos ko Lord, this one goes to all of you mga sigarilyo. Pag committed na yung tao, stop na. Kahit na maglandi pa yung babae o lalaki sa inyo, don't entertain it. Kasi at the end of the day, we still have the power to choose. We can choose how to react to a certain scenario. And in this particular scenario, if you choose to entertain them or pursue someone who's already committed, then prepare na lang sa consequences na harapin mo. Always remember, you can ignore reality, but you can never ignore the consequences of ignoring reality. Well, I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo, and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.